Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. Finding a reliable laundry solution can be challenging for busy households. The best all-in-one washer and dryer offers seamless washing and drying in a single unit, saving space, time, and energy while delivering excellent cleaning results. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Midea 24-inch washer and dryer combo. The Midea 24-inch washer and dryer combo is an excellent choice for households looking for a compact, efficient, and versatile laundry solution. This all-in-one, ventless machine allows you to wash and dry clothes in one seamless process, eliminating the need to transfer loads between separate units. It features a variety of washing and drying modes, including steam care, overnight wash and dry, reload function, quick wash, washer clean, and air fluff, making it adaptable to different fabric types and laundry needs. Its compact footprint hides a generous capacity, ideal for families of 3 to 4 people who want to maximize limited space in apartments, RVs, or small homes. Equipped with a BLDC inverter quattro motor backed by a 10-year warranty, it's both powerful and energy efficient, passing DOE energy efficiency tests for lower consumption. The overnight wash and dry cycle lets you run laundry at night and wake up to fresh clothes in the morning. A sleek control panel with 16 optional programs and 6 extra features ensures ease of use, while the standard 120-volt outlet and ventless design simplify installation. Overall, the Midea washer and dryer combo delivers convenience, efficiency, and modern design for everyday laundry tasks. Number 2. Splendide WDV 2200 XCD Combo Washer. The Splendide WDV 2200 XCD Combo Washer is a straightforward, space-saving washer and dryer combination designed for reliability and convenience. Measuring 33.2 inches long by 23.5 inches wide and 23.5 inches high, this unit's compact dimensions make it a practical choice for RVs, apartments, and other small living spaces where separate machines are not feasible. Ideal for individuals or couples, the WDV 2200 XCD provides essential wash and dry features without the complexity of high-tech panels, making operation easy for anyone. It's well-suited for users who prefer a simple, effective laundry solution rather than dozens of specialized cycles. The unit also eliminates the need for venting, which means easier installation and flexibility in placement within your home or RV. With Splendide's established reputation in compact laundry appliances, this model offers a no-nonsense approach to getting your laundry done efficiently, making it a dependable choice for anyone needing an all-in-one washer and dryer in a limited space. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER Washer and Dryer Combo. The BLACK+DECKER Washer and Dryer Combo combines the reliability of a trusted brand with the practicality of a 2-in-1 laundry system. This compact unit saves valuable floor space while still providing impressive performance for small households, apartments, or condos. It offers 16 distinct wash and dry cycles, such as quick wash, delicates, wool, baby wear, sanitary, sportswear, heavy duty, and more, ensuring you have the perfect option for any type of fabric or load size. The stainless steel tub with a 2.7 cubic foot capacity can handle up to 26.5 pounds for washing and 13.2 pounds for drying, making it a solid choice for regular weekly laundry. The transparent front-loading lid lets you watch your clothes throughout the process. Designed to deliver efficiency, convenience, and a streamlined installation experience, this BLACK+DECKER washer-dryer combo is ideal for anyone wanting a simple yet versatile unit to handle everyday laundry needs in a limited space without sacrificing cycle variety or performance.
Number 4. LG WM355 5HWA Washer and Dryer Combo. The LG WM355 5HWA Washer and Dryer Combo brings cutting-edge technology to the all-in-one laundry category. This model's built-in intelligence automatically selects optimal wash and dry settings, removing the guesswork and helping extend the life of your garments. Its ThinkYou and ThinkYou technology features provide smart connectivity and maintenance alerts, allowing you to monitor and control your laundry remotely via your smartphone for ultimate convenience. Ventless drying means no complicated ductwork or installation, further adding to its appeal. Whether you're looking for high-end features, smart connectivity, or powerful cleaning in one appliance, the LG WM355-5HWA stands out as a premium all-in-one washer and dryer that simplifies laundry day without sacrificing results.
Number 5. KoolMore Washer and Dryer Combo. The KoolMore Washer and Dryer Combo delivers an efficient, space-saving solution for households needing a versatile 2-in-1 laundry appliance. Its front-loader design allows you to wash and dry clothing without ever transferring loads, offering unmatched convenience for busy lifestyles. With 16 individual washing cycles, 4 drying cycles, and a fast 20-minute wash option, you can easily customize each load to suit a variety of fabrics, from delicates and workout wear to towels and jeans. This combo offers ample capacity for regular laundry needs, making it a reliable choice for singles, couples, or small families. KoolMore's thoughtful design emphasizes energy savings and practicality while delivering a clean, polished look that blends seamlessly into most interiors. If you're looking for a cost-effective, efficient, and space-conscious washer and dryer combo, the KoolMore unit offers excellent value and performance for everyday laundry care. Looking to streamline laundry day without sacrificing performance or space? The best all-in-one washer and dryer options combine washing and drying in one unit, saving time, energy, and square footage while still delivering dependable cleaning results for every load.